We're just going to look at assignments that might be posted to us, be it a class assignment, homework assignment, or indeed, and we're going to look at for this symbol in particular here. And we'll talk about that as we run along. And this is the Immersive Reader feature, which is part of the Office 365 suite. But here we have an example of an assignment. We've talked about this one before. We can click into this document with the three buttons here. We can edit it. It'll automatically save, and then we can hand it in a later stage. Of course, our assignments might also be in the form of a form where we have to run through, answer multiple choice questions, fill in the blank tile questions, order questions, etc. When we have these forms, it's important to make sure that it loads properly at the start, so make sure you can check to see that any photos that might be there have loaded properly. If they haven't, click back out, reload it, refresh your page. Just make sure those are there. And of course, when we run through and answer all the questions, make sure we hit the submit button down the very bottom, because if we don't, then those answers aren't submitted. So really make sure that you submit it. And at any stage it isn't submitting, make sure that you hang on, wait, and try resubmitting again. So make sure that you submit whatever assignment it is, either through the hand it in button or the submit button here. The other part that we need to just have a look at is the Immersive Reader. And every time you see this symbol here, it gives us lots of different options, which are of great benefit. You might have special combinations along the way. This is what it's going to do. We can adjust and play. Play through any of these words. It'll also look at the grammar, pick out specific parts, syllables all the way through. So we've got lots and lots of different options within those, and we can set our preferences whatever we want along it. So that's the Immersive Reader feature. You'll see it in any of the Office 365 suite where we see that feature. So for example, if we look in Word and we go into our View section and then come over here, we'll see that symbol yet again.